In this slide 1, we will discuss the word agent. An agent is a person who acts on behalf of another. In Telugu, this means, Okri Tarapuna Panasas Vyakti. For example, the agent helped us buy the house. In this slide 2, we will discuss the word aggregate. Aggregate refers to a whole formed by combining several elements. In Telugu, it is, Aneka Ansalanu Kalipi Irpadina Mottam. For instance, the aggregate score was 5-2. In this slide 3, we will discuss the word agenda. An agenda is a list of items to be discussed. In Telugu, this is, Kasinkalsina Ansala Jabita. For example, the agenda for the meeting was distributed. In this slide 4, we will discuss the word aggress. To aggress means to attack or behave aggressively. In Telugu, this is translated as, Daddy Sayadam leader Dadiga Pravatinkadam. For example, he began to aggress when challenged. In this slide 5, we will discuss the word aggravate. To aggravate means to make something worse. In Telugu, this means, Inka Tivramenadiga Makadam. For instance, the loud noise aggravated her headache. In this slide 6, we will discuss the word aggression. Aggression refers to hostile or violent behavior. In Telugu, it is, Porata leader Hinsatmaka Pravartana. For example, his aggression frightened the others. In this slide 7, we will discuss the word aged. Aged means having lived for a specified period of time. In Telugu, this is, Nirdista Vayassu Gala Vyakti. For example, he is aged 70. In this slide 8, we will revisit the word aggregate with a different meaning. Here, aggregate means the total or combined amount. In Telugu, it is, Mottam leader Kalipina Mottam. For instance, the aggregate demand has increased. In this slide 9, we will discuss the word aggregation. Aggregation refers to a group or mass formed from various parts. In Telugu, this is, Bhagala Nanki Irpadina Samuham. For example, the aggregation of data helped the analysis. In this slide 10, we will discuss the word agency. An agency is a business or organization providing a particular service. In Telugu, this means, Sevalindins Vyapara Sanstha leader Sanstha. For example, she works at a travel agency.